Welcome to our guide on how to improve your pub gaming skills. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned player, we've got tips and tricks to help you dominate the battlefield. The first step to success in pubg is choosing your landing spot wisely. Look for loot-rich areas away from the flight path to reduce early encounters. Landing in a high-traffic area might give you action, but it also increases the risk of an early exit. Find a balance between loot and safety. Once you land, prioritize loot. Always aim for armor, a decent weapon, and meds first. A well-equipped character can better defend themselves and secure kills. Movement is key. Use cover, stay crouched, and don't run blindly. Avoid unnecessary noise and make it harder for enemies to spot you. Engage when you have the upper hand, and don't engage in long-range battles without a proper scope. Picking your fights wisely increases your chances of winning and staying alive. If you're playing with a squad, effective communication is vital. Coordinated teamwork can give your team a significant advantage. Pay attention to the play zone and move early to stay inside the safe area. Being caught outside the play zone can be fatal, so plan your movements accordingly. Listen for footsteps, gunshots, and vehicle noises. Sound can give you valuable information about enemy positions. Your ears can be your best radar. Always use headphones for the best sound experience. Organize your inventory and carry essential items like first aid, boosters, grenades, and ammo. A well-organized inventory will help you react faster in critical situations. As the game progresses, try to predict where the final circles will be and position yourself accordingly. Good positioning in the late game can be a game changer. Finally, practice makes perfect. Spend time in training mode or use custom matches to work on your skills. Consistent practice is the key to improvement in pubg or any other game. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to improving your pubg gaming skills. Remember, it takes time to become a pubg master, but with dedication and these tips, you'll be well on your way to dominating the battleground.